Hey guys, just wanted to show you this truck someone gave me. It's a Ford F150, 1998. I believe this one's the 4.6 liter, might be a 4.8, not sure. Kilometers are high, 347, so it's probably why it's free. Tires aren't bad. It's been sitting here for a while, so I'm gonna get it going and try and sell it. Oh, there you go. Here's probably the reason it was given away. It's got a big dent in the box. That's not very nice. Other than that, doesn't look too bad. Could use a good cleaning and a vacuuming. The last owner obviously had a dog. Dog hair everywhere. That doesn't really work either. So I put a new battery in it and it wouldn't crank. I crawled underneath and the starter was missing. So I had the owner go and pick up a starter so I could get it started. You can see I've already put it in. What a nightmare that was. It cranked for 10 or 20 seconds 4 or 5 times and now it doesn't crank anymore. And I noticed that the starter solenoid right there isn't clunking on the firewall as it was before I found the missing starter. So the person who owned this said I need to buy that to make this start. They won't buy it because they already bought me a starter and they gave me the truck. So anyway, I'm gonna go take this out right now, run to the parts shop, pick up a new one. They're about $25. Come back and try and get this thing started, and if it starts I'll make another video and just go over it real quick, and hopefully we can sell this thing and make ourselves $1,000 bucks. Anyways, thanks for watching.